show you how we subtract. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many groundnuts are there?
9 groundnuts.
If I take away 2 of them, how many are left?
To find out how many are left, we count what is remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, how many groundnuts are there?
7 groundnuts.
I brought 9 chocolates from a shop. I shared 3 chocolates to my friends Monu, Meenu and Sonu. How many chocolates do I have now? 9 minus 3 is 6. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 chocolates. Today we are going to learn subtraction of 3-digit numbers.
Subtraction is also the difference between two numbers. There are 6 tamarinds in the yellow bowl and 2 tamarinds in the pink bowl. I want to know how many more tamarinds are in yellow bowl than in pink bowl. For this, I have to find the difference.
Do you find the difference between 6 and 2?
Yes! 1, 2, 3, 4.
There are 4 more tamarinds in the yellow bowl.
Wonderful! Let us try another one.
Here we have 48 carrots. I take away 11. How many are left?
How can we find that out?
Just subtract 11 from 48.
How do we do that?
First, we write 48. This is called minuend.
Is minuend the number from which we subtract another?
Yes, 48 has 4 tens and 8 units. So we write 4 in tens place and 8 in units place. Below it, we write down the number we are going to subtract. This is called subtrahend.
So, 11 is the subtrahend here?
Yes.
Do we write 1 in tens place and another one in units place?
Right. Then we write a minus before 11 to show that we are subtracting 11. And we start subtracting from the right side. There is 8 in units place. If we take away 1 from 8, how many are left?
7.
Excellent! Now we have 4 in tens place. We take away 1 from it. How many are left?
3.
Now, putting together tens and units, how many carrots are left?
37 carrots are left.
Wonderful! This is called the difference.
So, difference is what we get after subtracting.
You're right.
Children, now we can subtract 3-digit numbers without regrouping. Look at here. 847 minus 214 minus 214. Now we can subtract these numbers using abacus. Children, look at here. This is an abacus. In that ones place, how many ones are there? 7 ones are there. We can check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones. In her tens place, 4 tens are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hundreds place, 8 hundreds are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, in this abacus, what number is this? 847. 47. 847. What number we want to subtract? 214. 214. While subtracting, we have to start from ones place onwards. Ones place. So ones place 7 minus 4. So already we have 7 bits. From this, we have to take 4. We have to take 4 bits. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So remaining balance, how much is that? 1, 2, 3. 3 bits. So 7 minus 4 is how much? 3. Next, 4 minus 1. So we have to take tens place how much? 1 bit. So we can take 1. Balance how much is that? 1, 2, 3. So we can write 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. Next, hundreds place 8 minus 2. So in that hundreds, how many hundreds we want to take? 2 hundreds. So 1, 2. So balance how much is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bits are there. So we can write 6. So 847 minus 214 is how much? 633. 633. So now we can write the answer. Answer 633. Children, next we can subtract these numbers using fingers. Okay. So how to subtract? We have to starting from ones place onwards. In ones place 5 minus 1. So first we can leave 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In that, how much want to subtract? 1. So we can close it 1 fingers. How much remaining? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can write 5 minus 1 is 4. Next, 6 minus 0. So we no need to leave fingers. 6 minus 0 is how much? 6. 6 minus 0 is 6. Next, 7 minus 4. First we can leave 7 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In that, how many fingers want to close? 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Balance, how much is that? 3 fingers are there. So we can write 3. So 765 minus 401 is how much? 364. Children, now we can subtract 3-digit numbers with regrouping. 3-digit numbers with regrouping. Look at here, 540 minus 353. In that 0, we can able to subtract 3. No, what we have to do? We have to borrow from tens place. We have to borrow from tens place. So, first strike out this number. Write on the top 0. Then take from 1. So, it's became 10 now. You are taking 1 here. So, you can write here 3. So, 10 minus 3. So, we want to leave 10 fingers. Better we can use, we have 10 chocolate. We ate 3. After 3, what is that? After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, how many fingers are in my hand? 7. So, we can write 7. 10 minus 3 is 7. Next 3, we can able to subtract 5. No, what we have to do? We have to borrow from front hundreds place. So, here 4, we are giving 1. So, here 13 tens are there. 13 tens are there. So, 13 minus 5. So, we have 13 chocolate. We ate 5. So, after 5, how much balance? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many balance now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 13 minus 5 is 8. So, 4 minus 3 is how much? 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. So, 540 minus 353 is 187. So answer 187. Next question, 805 minus 246. 805 minus 246. So in that 5 is less than 6. 5 is less than 6. What we have to do? We have to borrow from tens place. In the tens place also 0. So what we can do? We have to borrow from hundreds place. So we have to strike out. If you take 1 here, it became 7. We are giving 1. So here it became what? 10. So in the 10 we are taking 1. So 9, already 5 is there. So 15. Here it became 15 now. So 15 minus 6, already I told you, we have 15 chocolate. We ate 6. After 6, what we have to say? After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many fingers are there now? 9 fingers. So 15 minus 6 is what? 9. 15 minus 6 is 9. Next, tens place. 9 minus 4. I told you already. After 4 you have to repeat. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many fingers are there? 5 fingers. So we can write here 5. Next, 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 means 2 after. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can write 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. So answer 559. 559. Children, next question, subtract 386 from 724. So here there is given statement. So while writing answer, first we have to write ones, tens, hundreds. After that, leave one finger gap. Why we are leaving one line? To write the borrowing. So after that, these two, which is a greater number? 724 is a greater number. So first we have to take and write the greater number, minus symbol, then smaller number. 386. Okay. We can subtract. How to subtract? 4 we can able to subtract 6. No. It is 4 is less than 6. So we can borrow from tens place. So first strike out. We have to write up 4. Then borrow from tens place. If you take from 1, here 14. Here how much will come? 1. So then start to subtract. 14 minus 6. I told you already. You have 4. You have to consider. You have 14 chocolates. In that you ate 6. After 6 what will come? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now how many fingers are there? 8 fingers are there. So we can write here 8. Then can you subtract 1 minus 8? No. What we have to do? We have to borrow from hundreds place. First strike out here. Write here 6. Why we are writing 6? We are giving 1 to tens place. That's why. Then 11. Here it became 11. 11 minus 8. After 8 you have to start. After 8, 9, 10, 11. How many fingers are there? 3 fingers. So we can write 3. 6 minus 3. After 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can write 3. So answer 338. Children, next question. Kumar earned rupees 800 in a day. Kumar earned rupees 800 in a day. He spent rupees 450. find the amount saved by him. Find the amount saved by him. First, we have to take and write his one day income is how much? His one day income is 800 rupees. Rupees 800. One day income is 800. Amount spent is how much? Rupees 450. Rupees 450. Saving amount. So, he spent 450. We want to find saving amount. So, we have to subtract. 0 minus 0 is how much? 0. Then borrow. 0 we can't subtract. So, borrow from where? 8. So, 7 here 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 4 is how much? 3. So, rupees 350. Saving amount is how much? 350. So, answer rupees 350. Now we can round off the numbers nearest to 10. Look at here, what number is given? 19. So now we can round off the numbers using number line. Look at here, 19. So where is the 19 here? Here. So first we can circle the 19. It is nearest to 10 or 20. It is nearest to 10 or 20. It is nearest to 20. So 19 is nearest to what? 19 is nearest to 20. 19 is nearest to 20. Next question, 23. Where is the 23? So first circle the 23. It is nearest to 20 or 30. It is nearest to 20. It is nearest to 20. So 23 is nearest to what? 20. Children, now we can round off the numbers nearest to tens without using number line. While round off the numbers, first we have to check ones place. In that ones place, 1, 2, 3 and 4 means we have to write tens place same number and ones place 0. If it is ones place is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 means tens place write next number and ones place 0. So we can do the sums. Here 44 is given. 44. First what we have to do? We have to check the ones place. It is 4. That means less than 5. So what we can do? We have to write the tens place same number and ones place 0. Tens place same number and ones place 0. And 25. First, you have to check the ones place. It is 5. That means 5 or more than 5 means we have to write next nearest to tens. Or what we can do? It's more than 1. Next number is what? 3. So 25 nearest 30. 25 is round off to 30. Next 87. 87 also what? More than 5. 87 also more than 5. So what we can do? We can add 8 plus 1 is 9. So 90. 87 is nearest to what? 90. Children, now estimate the sum to the nearest 10 and also find the actual sum. Look at here. Here there is given problem 26 plus 31. You have to do the estimated answer. Estimated means what? We have to round off to nearest tens. Round off to the nearest 10. 26 nearest to what? 30 or 20. 26 nearest to 30. So we can write 30. 31 is nearest to 30. So 30 plus 30 is how much? 60. 30 plus 30 is 60. Next we have to do actual answer. Actual answer means same addition. Actual value is what? 26. Here 31. So we can add 6 plus 1 is 7. 2 plus 3 is how much? 5. So actual answer is how much? 57. Estimated value is 60. Children, next estimate the difference to the nearest 10 and also find the actual difference. The problem is what? 28 minus 22. First, we have to find the estimated answer. First, we have to take and write the estimated answer. 28 is nearest to what number? 28 is nearest to 30. 28 is nearest to 30. The estimated value of 22 is what? 22 is nearest to 20. 22 is nearest to 20. So difference means what we can do? We have to subtract. Difference means we have to subtract. 0 minus 0 is what? 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 30 minus 20 is 10. The next we have to write actual value. Actual value means same number we have to take and write. 28. Next 22. So difference means we have to subtract. 28 minus 22. First you have to subtract ones place. 8 minus 2 is how much? 6. 2 minus 2 is 0. So the actual value is 6. Estimated value is 10. The actual difference is what? 6. The estimated difference is 10. So 6 also nearest 10. Friend, today we have learned subtraction of 3-digit numbers without regrouping and with regrouping. Round off the nearest tens and estimation of sum and difference. Children, copy these in your term book. Thank you, children.